In this video, I will show you how to crochet the chain stitch. Making a chain stitch is one of the most simple crochet techniques. It might appear as part of a stitch pattern, but you will most commonly see it when you're beginning a crochet project and your pattern tells you to make a foundation chain. Today, we're going to be using our Jersey Be Good yarn in the bubblegum pink colourway and one of our 12mm silver crochet hooks. Let's get started. If you're making a foundation chain, begin by making a slip knot and popping it over the end of your hook. Like so. Now holding the hook in your right hand and the yarn in your left, take the yarn over the hook, like so. Now you're going to gently slide the end of your hook to pull this strand of yarn through this loop. And in doing so, you're going to slide off the old loop. So you've now chained one stitch. So let's see that again. Yarn over the hook, and then you're going to slide the end of the hook, pulling through that new loop. So you can see you've now chained 2 stitches. Yarn over your hook, and a good tip here is don't pull on your yarn too much, because if you pull on it, it's going to make the chain spin. You don't want that. Just gently lay it over and then pull through a new loop. So just keep on repeating those steps until you've made as many chains as your pattern tells you to. And there you have it. That's how to crochet chain stitch.